Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website, Playbite, and you're wondering, is this legit? Can you make money from this? And is this a good use of your time? Or maybe it's a waste of time, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I will send you that training directly to your email. You can check it out, right? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, and some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, some of them are absolute waste of time. So let's check out Playbite to find out whether this is a good use of your time, or maybe there are better ways to make money online, okay? Now, Playbite is a very fun and cool little app that allows you to play games, and you can win some prizes, okay, directly from some of your favorite brands. Now, the big question is what are the games like, and can you really make decent money from this, or is this just kind of like a waste of time, all right? So if you scroll down here on their website at playbite.com, you'll see that they've got a bunch of different games: multiplayer, puzzlers, relaxing, rhythm matching, racing, that kind of thing. You can play them directly online, you can play it with your friends, and you can win some cool prizes. So let's talk about all of this inside, okay? Now, if you head over to Google Play Store, you can see that it has had 100,000 downloads. And this is basically what Playbite looks like, right? So if I open this up for you, you can see that it's pretty cool. It's got some different games right here which you can check out, and you can play directly on your app, all right? And as you play the games, what happens is as soon as you finish the game, you're going to be awarded with a certain amount of tickets, okay, what they call tickets. Now, we'll talk about how much each ticket is worth a little later on, all right? But for now, understand that every time you finish a particular game, you'll win roughly about 1,000 to 2,000 tickets, all right? Now, that's not the cash value. We'll talk about that in a second, but that's how much you win. Now, the thing that you need to understand about websites like Playbite is the way that they operate is they need to pay for the business somehow, right? And so what they do is they make a lot of ad revenue by showing you a lot of ads, okay? So just understand that as you're playing these games, every time you finish a game, every time you click on something else, they will show you an ad, which unfortunately can be a little bit annoying, okay? Even though on their website, they say their ads are not annoying, but they are, because they're still ads and you still have to watch them and go through them, unfortunately, okay? So just understand that when you use an app like this, that's pretty normal and expected, okay? Now, as you play the games, you can do a couple of things to withdraw your money, okay? The first thing is, if you come to this little section here where it says prizes, you can see that they've got a few different ways where you can withdraw your money, right? You can use the gift cards, you can go to Gummy Sharks, you can use the burrito blanket, you can use a gaming console. And the way that it works is you would click enter to win, and then you would have like sort of a sweepstake, and when it stops on a particular thing, that's how you're able to credit your money out. But what you need to understand about this is that in order for you to enter any of these prize sweepstakes, you have to pay roughly an equivalent to about 10,000 tickets that you're going to win from playing the games in order to enter. Okay. Now, for example, when you want to win this Roblox gift card, right? You pay 10,000 to enter, and when you win this, you don't actually win the gift card outright. Usually, you'll win a percentage of the gift card. So let's just say, to get the Roblox gift card, you need 100%. They might give you 3%, or they might give you 4%. Okay, so that means that you have to play the sweepstake roughly about 30 to 35 times before you can actually win the entire gift card. That's equivalent to roughly about $10. All right, so as you can imagine, that's going to take quite a long time, and that's the first way to actually withdraw cash through this particular award system. Another way is to actually buy what's called diamonds. Okay, so you'll see tickets and diamonds inside of your interface, and the problem with diamonds is you can't win it, you have to purchase it. All right, which kind of sucks, because if you have to purchase your own diamonds to withdraw, it doesn't really make much sense. Okay, so 4 diamonds cost $25, and for you to withdraw, you have to pay $2 to withdraw through a $10 gift card, which doesn't make any sense at all, right? So in order for you to make money through Playbite without being out of pocket, you need to basically win as many games as you can, win as many tickets as you can, and then take part in as many of these prize sweepstakes as you can. But remembering that it's going to take you quite many times of taking part in the sweepstakes before you can before you can even win $10 worth of a gift card. Okay, so it does take a long time, right? So you complete it here, you can see the tickets right here, and then you can slowly pay those sweepstakes games, right? And that is pretty much it. It's not a bad app. Like, here's what I would say about Playbite. Okay, Playbite's pretty cool if you want to just play some fun games, right? But if in terms of making money, I think that this is not a great way to make money, because they make it so complicated. You have to win tickets, you have to win games, and then you have to play a sweepstakes that don't actually give you the entire gift card. It only gives you a small, tiny percentage of that gift card, and then you have to play it several times before you can actually win that entire gift card, which could take you months. All right, and I'm just gonna go into the review section here so you can see what some people are saying currently about this app. Okay, so this is what Anonymous is. Horrible app. Used to be good. I wish I could give it 5 stars, but it turned into literally every other free reward app. Before they changed the ticket system, it actually felt like I was making progress with the prizes, and it was easier to get tickets. The prizes cost about 50 million tickets, and I'm only earning about 5 to 10,000 each game. Okay, I can make it super far in a game, and the prize doesn't increase; it stays the same. All right, so basically, you can see that a prize costs 50 million tickets. So in order for someone to win that, would take them a very, very long time. Right? Look at this. Candy says, "I used to believe that this was the best app, wanting to actually win prizes and gift cards." But it's just gotten worse and worse over the years. Before, you would be able to get prizes like every other month if you're consistent. So think about that. Even before, you could win prizes every other month. That's if you're spending time on this app every single day. So, what's the point of spending time on an app for an entire month if you can only, win prizes every other month? And now it's pretty much impossible. Okay, this one says you have to get to at least 30 million tickets for a good prize, and each game pays around 5,000 tickets per round. So there you go. You do the math. Okay, I mean, even if this paid out every month, I mean, you're getting $10 a month, let's just say, in the best case scenario, and you're spending hours and hours every day. Is this actually worth your time? I don't think so. Okay, so here's what I think. I think that Playbite is a cool little gaming app if you just want to play some, fun games like I mentioned earlier. But for a way to make money online, it doesn't make sense to me. I think there are much, much better ways to spend your time. All right. Now, if you are watching this video right now and you are looking for a way to generate some big income, we're talking about, five, 10,000, 15, $20,000 a month. There is a way. I mean, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways on this channel to generate income, and out of all of them, there's one of my favorite ways for an absolute beginner to go from zero to their first $5 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like that strategy for free, I've got a free masterclass. You can just click the link below and I'll send that to you right away. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Playbite and hope to see you in another video review soon. Take care and all the best to you.